Okay, folks, and welcome back to Tampa as we are ready for the final recap of the night. The final score was the Atlanta Thrashers 6 and the Tampa Bay Lightning 3. Paul, how did you feel about the third? Well, Rick, the Lightning just played an absolutely terrible third period after giving up the go-ahead goal in the second. Yeah, they didn't have it tonight, I guess. Well, let's look at the final recap of tonight's game. Shots were 23 to 19 Atlanta. Third period shots were 11 to 9 Atlanta. Hits were 24 to 7 Tampa Bay. Face-offs were 26 to 15 Atlanta. Penalty minutes, Tampa Bay had 8 minutes. Atlanta had no minutes. Power play, Atlanta went 1 for 4 with the man advantage here tonight. Tampa Bay went 0 for 0 with the man advantage here tonight. Now let's send you over to Bobby Taylor real quick for the third period recap. Bobby? Thank you, Rick and Paul. And let's take a look, even though that was a bad third period by the Lightning. We gotta recap it though. Here it is. And now the Thrashers. Enstrom plays it up to the wing for Kozlov. Kozlov. Cross-ring pass for White. White, shot, score! Todd White gets the goal, and the Thrashers now lead 4-2. Todd White gets his first of the season from Vyacheslav Kozlov, and the kid Tobias Enstrom picks up his first ever NHL point at the 9:54 mark. But the Thrashers wouldn't be done there. And now the Lightning corral the puck in their own zone. Larson over to Thorburn. Thorburn drops it to the wing for Dupuis. Dupuis fires one and scores! Pascal Dupuis gets the goal, and the Thrashers lead 5-2. That was Pascal Dupuis' first of the season from Chris Thorburn and Brad Larson at 12-16. But the Lightning would respond eventually. Boyle up to the wing for Ranger. Ranger over to Prospel. Prospel fires a shot and he scores! Benny Prospel gets on the board. His third point of the night. And the Lightning make it 5-3 as they're trying to make it interesting here in the third. Oh, what a goal by Vinny Prospel. Yes, it was. Vaclav Prospel gets his third point of the night, his second goal of the campaign, from Paul Ranger and Dan Boyle at 17:40. But the Thrashers would answer right back in a hurry. McCarthy up to Holik. Holik shoots one and he scores! Bobby Holik beats Romo with the shot, and the Lightning lead or trail 6-3. Wow. Wow is right. Bobby Holik notches his second of the season from Steve McCarthy at the 18:27 mark. And we would have some penalties here. We would have one penalty though in the third. And that went to Philippe Kuba. 2 minutes for cross-checking at 4:58. Or 4:55, I beg your pardon. Well, now back over to you, Rick and Paul. Thank you, Bobby. And this one was just not a great third period for the Lightning. Well, that'll do it for us tonight, folks. The final score here tonight, it's the Atlanta Thrashers 6 and the Tampa Bay Lightning 3. The Lightning's next game is on Monday. So we'll see you there. So, for Bobby Taylor and for my partner Paul Kennedy, this is Rick Peckham saying so long, everybody. Once again, the final score here tonight from the St. Pete Times Forum in Tampa, Florida. It's the Atlanta Thrashers 6 and the Tampa Bay Lightning 3. Good night, everybody.